What if I told you that the fighter jet India proudly showcased as the symbol of its rising aerospace ambitions, the HAL Tejas, unexpectedly crashed at the Dubai Air Show, right in front of global defense delegations, raising urgent questions about whether this aircraft was ever truly combat ready? What if this single incident has the potential to alter India's military reputation, challenge its export dreams, and shift the balance of competitive global fighter markets? Hello everyone, welcome back to Battletech, where we break down the world's most intense military events with clarity, depth and accuracy. Today, we're taking you through a complete, beginner-friendly yet highly technical deep dive into the Tejas crash at the Dubai Air Show, an event that stunned aviation communities in the UK, USA, Europe, and beyond. We start with the roots of the Tejas program, why India initiated it after decades of dependency, how indigenous development became a national mission, and how aircraft evolved through countless delays, redesigns, and technological setbacks. From its composite airframe to its digital fly-by-wire system and its controversial engine reliance, we'll unpack everything that makes Tejas both an engineering triumph and a subject of global skepticism. Then we shift to the moment of the Dubai crash, the rehearsed maneuver that suddenly went wrong, unexpected loss of stability, the reports of a flameout or system failure, the split-second pilot decision to eject, and the dramatic fireball that left spectators frozen in disbelief. We'll analyze early investigation reports from Dubai authorities, statements from HAL officials, and the ongoing debate inside aviation circles about whether this was a maintenance oversight, a structural flaw, a software malfunction, or a deeper issue rooted inside the Tejas development chain. As we break it down, we'll also compare Tejas with leading Western jets such as the F-16 Block 70, the Eurofighter Typhoon, and even the F-35 to understand where India truly stands in terms of avionics, agility, survivability, and export potential. And here's where the twist arrives. Despite the crash damaging India's international image, several defense analysts now believe the incident may accelerate upgrades, force stricter testing protocols, and even push the Tejas, Mk2, and AMCA programs forward faster than India originally planned. We will explore why the timing of this crash was financially devastating, right during India's push to pitch Tejas to friendly nations, and how this single moment may reshape long-term geopolitical defense partnerships. So stay locked in, because by the end of this breakdown, you'll understand not just what happened, but what this crash truly means for India, global buyers, and for the future of lightweight fighter jets. And before we move on, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment sharing your thoughts on the Tejas crash, and subscribe to Battletech so you never miss a single technologically explosive, globally impactful aviation analysis.